how to connect Gravity Forms to Monday.com. You can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Install and activate the Gravity Forms plugin on your WordPress website if you haven't already. 2. In Monday.com, create a new board where form submissions will be sent. Add relevant columns like name, email, and message. 3. Install the Gravity Forms Monday.com integration plugin, or use Zapier to connect the 2 platforms. 4th, map Gravity Forms. Fields to Monday.com columns to ensure data flows correctly when a form is submitted. Configure automation to notify your team whenever a new form submission is added to Monday.com. 6. Test the integration by filling out a sample form and checking if the data appears in Monday.com. 7. Save your settings, ensure everything works smoothly, and start managing form submissions directly within Monday.com.